What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be filming a video. I'm not sure what we're gonna be filming yet. I'm gonna put these garage lights on, or maybe some hard race LCAs and sway bar on this car. I think I'm gonna put the lights on first, just so we have some lighting to do this later. First off, we gotta move up all these cars out the garage and the driveway. Maybe on that side too. Let's head in and see what we got. Let's get some keys. Yo, so I didn't have my full spec shirt on because it's washing in there. But, you know, we're going to go ahead and print one right now. You guys haven't seen right now. This is hoodies right here. And our shirts. Make sure you cop one on our website, fullspecracing.com. And we're printing some stuff right now. Get this ready. I'm making myself a shirt right now. Let's go check out some parts. So these are, well, that's a canopy. We've got garage lights up down there that we're gonna put up. Hard race suspension right here. You put these bad boys on. Gonna be going to the track on the 21st. Look at that, real nice. I've got some sway bars back here. PCI, I already took them out the box. There we have it. Go ahead and peel. And look at that. Nice, let's try it on. And boom, there you have it. Full spec t-shirts. Make sure you guys check out the website. You guys want one, we'll ship it out to you. www.fullspecracing.com. Check out that back print. I don't know if you can see it or not, but whatever. Let's get started on the day. Alright, we're gonna move all the cars now. I've got the truck, 240 EG, and that's 2012. Boom, let's go. Let's go make some noise. Let's leave this here for the truck. And then we got David moving his Civic, garbage. Start with this thing. Alright, let's do the next one. Let's start up the EG. Dang, that took forever. Alright, let's do the Honda 2000. Oh my god, this baby booster seat right here. This Davis S2000. Oh, I barely fit in this bitch. Ooh, that's a nice shifter right there, dang. Oh, it's a push to start. Oh, you're nothing loud, bro. Look at the S2000 owner got COVID. He got COVID, so I gotta move all these cars by myself. I need to shut up. We got our EG right now. This one's gonna be tracked on the 21st, as well as that S2000. I'm gonna save that one for last because that seat is tiny. Man, too bad I couldn't get a, you know, third-person shot because this guy possibly has COVID, so I gotta move my cars and his. This guy don't even got sliders on his seat. Shh. I'm gonna take that dog to a pound after this. Oh my god, you guys check. Look at this. Look at my feet. God, I peed myself. But I do want to test this shifter out. Everything is small on this car. Look at this handbrake. Oh, that's not reverse. This is a 6th gear. You gotta push it down. Oh, I'm scared. I can't see anything. This car is so small. Look at this dwarf. I'm about to take this thing up the canyons right now. This car is a lot louder outside than inside, which is usually the opposite. Look at this guy. Oh, don't scratch my car up. Oh, God. Yeah, that shifter feels nice, dude.
That's that Renegade, bro.
Yeah, it feels good. All right, now we can do the garage lights. Alright guys, so we got these lights on. I just put this down. I saw this green coolant mark. I was like, no, the 240 is leaking. But this might be from the EG, so we're gonna need to fix that before the track day, wherever it's coming from. But these are the Amazon special. I got 10 of these for like $150, which is not that bad. Supposedly they're pretty bright, but we'll see. Like right now we only got 2 lights, and it's way too dark in here. It's like, don't count that light, but those lights don't do anything. That one we gotta like use a stick to turn it on from the button right there, which is a pain in the ass when the S2000's here. But let's check this out, see how bright it gets. So I just took off this garbage one that we had, and we have that one up there just for now. But check this out, guys. Just, bam, that's gonna be bright. That's gonna be nice right there. Awesome. Let's get the rest on, and I'll show you guys the finished product. Alright, so I got the second one in, but this hardware sucks. Like, look at that one. Looks like it's about to fall. I don't know if you guys see that, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Home Depot right now. I'm gonna get some self-tappers, wood self-tappers. I could just use a drill. I'll just drill it right into the freaking, whatever those metal hangers are. So we'll be right back. Alright, so these should work pretty good. So we're gonna get this screw. Instead of just using that garbage fastener stuff, we'll just use a drill. It's like an 8mm. We'll just put it right through the loop, and it'll hang like that. Let's get it. It's only $8. Alright guys, it's getting dark already. You already see these lights are a lot better, but let's see. So we got this is like a little 8mm, or it's probably standard, but I'm gonna use the 8mm. I like these hex sockets better, or hex screws better, because the Phillips screws like these, they're like a pain in the ass to freaking screw in with a screwdriver or like an impact, and they never work. So let's see if my theory works. Alright guys, just finished up. It's dark now. Like, you see the truck in the dark, just for reference. Can't even see the cars out here. Yeah, check this out. Dang, looking good. Now I can shoot videos. Do little car features in here. Once we clean up the garage, of course, but damn, that looks good. Let me show you guys how we did it. It's probably a bad reference, but basically we used those hex screws with the impact, screwed it in, and then we screwed it right through like one of these holes, and then you could adjust it however how you want. So typically we used the cables first, and then we hung them on the light after. We have a total of 10 in here now. Dang, look at that. There you guys have it. 10 LED lights from Amazon. You get all 10 on Amazon. I'll put it in the link below on our YouTube video if you guys like it. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to see next. Actually, on the next video, we're probably going to do hard race lower control arms and sway bars on the EG, but these are super easy to install. They come with all the hardware you need. I just got the hardware from Home Depot just because it's easier. Show you guys. Self-drilling screws for wood. I got these like 50 of them at Home Depot for like $8-9. They have the hex screw instead of a Phillips. So you just put a socket on and an impact or whatever you want to use, whatever you have. It's a lot easier for me, but if you guys want to go the old school way with just the Phillips screws that they come with, it'll probably take you a little longer to drill into the wood, but that's all we did. Connect them into a series. They start over here, and then you see it's connected to that one. That one connects to the next one, and so on. It's a maximum of 6 per outlet. So we have 6 going, and then our next 6 would be on that one up there. Connects these in a series also. And look how good the cars look inside here, guys. Excellent. These are our full spec hoodies. Make sure you guys copy them on our website. Look at all that lighting right here. Dang, look at, you can see the gloss on the cars now.
You see all the dirt and the scratches?
Right. They're looking good. If you sit inside the car, you can even see inside the car. Look at that. Dang. Hell of a difference. Let's see how they look. Now, I wish we had some lights out here, but hey, you get the gist. 10 out of 10 for now. Let's see how long they last, but they had a good review, so definitely recommend. Can't beat it. $150. Just do it.